Yes, you can make a sustainable income as a personal trainer, as a health and fitness coach without burnout. And it took me more than a decade for me to realize that. And it wasn't until I realized not only my own value, what it is that I do for people, the impact that I have on their lives, the quality of their lives, and really honed in on how I communicate that, how I showcased this is what happens when you work with me. Here's how you work with me. Here's the different price points that you can work with me at. And then once I realized that and implemented that, like everything changed, not only for me in terms of sustainability with income, but the type of people I was working with, the hours that I wanted to work, and I didn't lose people, I didn't lose the community. In fact, it just kept growing because it was just really around getting clarity about who I am, what I do, how I can help you, and hey, here's how to do it.